know what is social work profession all about, we should also know what is some principle of social work. In this role play, our group will demonstrate the social work principle of self-determination, which means respecting the client's right to make their own decision. This presentation is shows how self-determination is applied in real-life situation. The scenario focuses on an elderly client who is facing pressure from her family to move into the home for the aged, but she wants to remain because of emotional attachment from her home. The social worker's role is to support her decision, explain possible options, and avoid forcing any decision.
Time, Lola Ira and her late husband, Lola Ernesto, built their small home with love and hard work. Every part of the house hold memories of their life together. After Lola Ernesto passed away, the house became Lola's last connection to him. Lola continued living in the same house together with her granddaughter, while her daughter worked abroad, but now that her granddaughter is about to leave for college, Lola will soon be living alone.
Hi la! Thanks la, nakagraduate jud ko. Pero nabalaka ko kay next day mo lakaw na ko, ikaw na lang isa diri. Okay ra ako, dili manggod na ko kaya biyaan ng balay.
Now that her granddaughter has left for college, at first her daughter was updating on her every single day, but suddenly she got super busy and Lola was mostly on her own. Her kumare Aling Gwen is her closest friend. She stops sometimes to check on Lola.
Ayo, may buntag na si Manang Ira diha. Kamusta naman ka?
Oy, layang buntag. Ali, dayon.
However, the visits are occasional and most of the days Lola must manage the house by herself. Daily chores have become harder because of her age and her daughter worries for her safety.
Okay ra ko na. Tambay-tambay ko diri sa gawas. Dili lagi kinak, diri ara ko. Oh my God guys, Lola wants to stay but her daughter is saying she should move. What do we do now?
So she calls the social worker at the local community center to ask for advice on how to handle the situation.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is the Community Social Work Office. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. Ako rin sa Iyaza. I'm calling about my mother. Kanang nako gawin ta kabalaka ba? Pwede kung mga yung advice?
Of course, ma'am. Unsa din itabo? Tell me about your situation.
Kay mao manggod ni sir ug ma'am. Layo ko karon ba kay nako sa abroad ang akong mama tigulang nga kayo. 75 na siya. Nagnasara siya sa balay kay akong anak si Micah mumove na siya sa city para sa iyang college.
So mabili na jud siya mag-isa sa inyong balay.
Nagluko ko sa niya og na emergency.
I understand both sides, ma'am. Pero importante sab ang safety. Pero importante sab ang feeling sa imong mama. Does she know nga nakay kabalaka?
Bagoy na kong problema sir ug ma'am baka dili siya ubiya sa balay.
Ma'am, thank you sa inyong honesty. This is a common situation sa many family. Pwede ko mag-set of meeting ninyo.
Pwede ka ayo ay kay gusto di kayo na ako dili ni maglali since na ako sa layo. Gusto na ako safe siya.
Abangan, ma'am. I-set na kong schedule for the family meeting. Together, we'll make a safe and respectful plan for your mother. Ayo, mayong buntag. Na si Aling Ira.
Ikaw tong gitawagan sa akong anak.
Oh, nay.
Dili gid ko adto dito adrong kay dili na ako kaya biyaan ang balay.
Kasabot ko ni mo, nay, pero ako na ipasabot sa mo, ha. Maghatag kog duha ka option. First, magpabilin ka diri sa inyong balay nga nakay kauban niya, caregiver or nurse. Or second, dalon ka na mo sa home for the age para at inganado kayo ka dito.
Kung mabalhin dito, adong.
Sige lang na, diliti ka pugson.
And in the end, Lola's choice was honored, not because it was easiest, but because it was hers. This decision respects her emotional attachment, independence, and memories, while allowing her family and the social worker to support her safely. But how do we keep her safe? Let's see how the social worker create a safety plan together. After the discussion, they made the home more safer to Lola, handrails, non-slip masks, and good lighting to reduce accident. Turtle checks on her health regularly. Lola's story reminds us that supporting someone's choice, even when it's different from what we want, is one of the greatest acts of care. As future social workers, our role is not to force a decision, but to guide the client and decide what is the best for them. And when the time comes for you to make your own choices as you grow older, would you want others to decide for you, or would you want your freedom to remain in your hands? Between those two sides, the social worker stands not to judge, not to choose a winner, but to make sure every voice is heard, especially the voice that is often forgotten.